How to buy retarded cash token. So this token came at the symbol of retarded. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available in the screener. It's created 2 hours ago and increased by 9,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, if you want to buy this token, so go to Rarium, as you can see, and connect your wallet first. Select your wallet from here. I will select the OKX wallet or OKX. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Radium, what you need to do, if you don't see your token here, go back to this token page, click here to copy the token address, go back to swap, click here, select the Solana as a network from here, and paste the token address here. As you can see, click on add token and click on your token again. As you can see, you will be able to see it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now hit how much you want to buy. As you can see, you will be able to see here how much you receive that token. After that, click on more info. Make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a retard token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.